Y'all see me flying, never drop down. Drop down, smoking high, am I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now.
GT Impernal Malte chuan naute lem hrang ni nge ya an ngai te chu la khomin heater santing le GT Impernal Malte hian heng naute lem te hi an hrang chem ti an fia don ani spirit box an ti mang chuan heng naute hrang te hi biak po an tum chin don ani
The doll. Wow.
Mase an camera chuan thil maktak an la fu ta hlau maya
I really don't know what to make of these dolls. I know that they all are haunted dolls. I'm pretty much 100% sure now that they are all haunted for sure. I mean, we already know that the big one is because we've seen her move in my office. All you fans.
Tichuan mai che pakhatin he naute hi angai nat lo thu le an in lama a hon du lo thu te a soi mek lai chuan he naute lem hrang hi a aina sa in aron chele tani
I'm not taking her with me when I move, so if any of you are interested in that doll, please let me know, because I don't want to keep her, but I'd like her to go to a good home. I mean, if there's somebody out there that's interested. I don't... Did that thing just move?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'd like her to go to a good home. I mean, if there's somebody out there that's interested. I don't...
Her freaking face just moved towards you.
Oh my god, Heather.
Like that legitly just moved.
Oh
Did you
my
see
god.
that?
Yeah,
Clay, did you see that?
At first.
When you said you're not taking her with you, what the
my
is that?
I don't know, I just
I
heard
just
that.
heard a girl's voice.
Are you serious? That wasn't one of you?
No!
Oh my god. Oh my god,
my
she
God.
really just move?
Her face.
Oh hell no.
What the hell, Mom?
Oh my god. Heather, I got the cold chills from the top of my head to
Yeah,
my
I have-
freaking toe. Oh my god.
What the hell?
atak nge yani ka ringa nang enge ngai dan vele comment na lama melo hril vela tro Mexican drama mai che pakhat chuan a thian nu camera keng chu anaute pom lai chanchin vel a han hril mel lai chuan he thil maktak mai hi alo thleng ta ni
Bueno, aquí les presentamos a la muñeca de Bessie que se la regalaron a sus 15 años. Ay, no manches, mira.
he video hi a chanchin hriat turemo han chui bel tur om lo rum shma engpo ni se he video hi ale malo ni chuan he mai che hian Oscar dong a phu tak zet ani